Shugor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Ka Kynhun Myntri henne kesni kala Mynjur ha gabaidei bat ki Kyndon ban pendon kam ya ki Kyrteng ban wa ha ki kali kham tam ha ki kali jong ki officer Sorkar. Bat ban penbet ya kani ka kam VIP ka Sorkar ha kini ki benai baladep kala wanra ya ka SOP ha gabaidei bat ka jing pendon kam ya ki siren kilat bat ki wei ki jing mentoy ha ki kali Sorkar. Banyat lang ha kajuk ka benta ka transport department minta kelawan ra ban ithu ya kibala ban pendon kam ya ki Kyrteng ban wa ha ki kali jongki lingba ka kerdan ka jongki ki jing ithu ki bala Mynjur ki kentup lang ya ki officer Sorkar ki judiciary ki administrations bat ki katu kat ni ki bala jit ban pendon kam kan ye karai kan penchai kedar kan wanra ya ka jing yat renti bat ka jing yat bet ban pendon kam ya ki kali Sorkar ha keleng ka jaka.
Use of name boards on official vehicles. As you recall that we had come out with an amendment on an SOP, where we had mentioned about the different sirens and lights and other VIP culture that was something that we were all concerned about. In that we had come out with an order saying that the transport department will define on who can be allowed to use name boards and not. And based on that decision, the transport department today had given the list of different individuals, rather positions, on who can use these name boards and who cannot, and what will be the format of the name boards. So therefore, there has to be a standard format as per designation, which will be now used, and that list was today approved. And the list is there with us, but it's too long for me to mention all the details. But mostly it is the different officials and the different positions at the government level and in the judiciary mostly, and in the administration. So these are the three main areas which and of course certain statutory positions from the central government perspective.